How to fix fail to join the experience in Roblox. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, let's start by opening our Roblox game. Once you are here, you have to click on these three dots on your left side and simply go for its settings. Once you are in settings, simply go for its privacy on the third number. So once you have entered here, you have to scroll down to this other settings, and in this setting, who can make me a member, you have to select it to everyone. By default it will be something like this, friends or users I follow. So make sure to do it for everyone and it will save it automatically. If your account is less than 13 years old, you will not able to join the experience, expect your friends. So that's how basically you can fail to join experience in Roblox.